It's mandatory that you take English 1100, but it's also optional that you can take English 1000. And English 1000 is pretty much like introductory course, kind of teaching you how college is going to be and introduce you to what you're going to pretty much see in college in terms of writing. Coming into college, I wasn't really the best writer. I was bad at punctuation, commas, stuff like that. So for me, it was no brainer just kind of getting an introductory to how to write in college.
So taking 2 English classes at the same time actually wasn't a burden, but the fact that you were able to learn and improve and then apply that improvement to your other English class that you're probably taking at the same time, I found extremely beneficial. And my other professor actually commented and said, I've seen such improvement from your writing. And I was like, oh, it's all thanks to my other class.
I recommend this class to anybody that didn't have the right tools or wasn't prepared coming into college to write at a collegiate level.